Namaste. Today we will discuss one actual incident which will mesmerize and take us to the divinity's play. Why such things happens? What could happen to a family when such things happen? How the family members are torn into pieces, and what would happen at the end when that which we are going to discuss happens. It was in 1963 or 64. It was in a place called Karyannapalayam. In those days, there was heavy demand for maida, which is a main ingredient or input for manufacture of. I was only 9-10 years old. As a child laborer, I had to work in a vermicelli factory. The factory was manufacturing vermicelli in Bangalore. Vermicelli. It was a very small company. The main ingredient maida was being supplied by a company called Krishna Flour Mills. Krishna Flour Mills, even today it exists in Seshadripuram. The then MD of that company had a relative who started this company. With his influence, he was getting some quota of maida for manufacture of vermicelli. Vermicelli was in much demand in those days. Whenever the Ramzan period comes, the sale will double or triple because the consumption will be more. As and when the supply comes to the factory, it will come in a truck and a set of laborers used to come to deliver the maida. One of the labor who was staying nearby the Krishna Flour Mill had made a request to his MD to get a job for his son, Ratnam. Ratnam was a school dropout. As a result, his father, who is a laborer, made a request to this company to get him a job or take him in job. With some obligation, the owner of this company gave a job to Ratnam, who was around 4 or 5 years elder to me. He was taken as a laborer and he was working with us. He used to walk in a peculiar way because he had a corn in his leg. As a result, his walking style was totally different. And generally, the people in the factory used to call him as Bend. His pet name had become Bend. Ratnam was a very jovial boy, very enjoyable. In and around Krishna Flour Mill, that area was in those days called Swatantrapalya. Now it has become Mantri Mall and Metro has come. In Swatantrapalya, in a small house, Ratnam's family was staying. As and when his father used to come to the factory, Ratnam will be very happy to his father, and the days and months were going on. For packing vermicellis, in addition to the printed wrappers which the company was using, to support they used to make use of magazines, newspapers, etc. As and when some newspapers or magazines are accumulated in the owner's house of this factory, Ratnam will be given those things to be shifted to the factory. In those days, even for bicycle, there was a condition of licensing. Some of the days, Ratnam, while bringing the newspaper or magazines, he will stop somewhere and sell a part of the newspapers, take that money and enjoy, but discreetly will come and share with some of the staff members. Although the staff members will not reveal to anybody, even if it is revealed, people don't take it as very serious. But taking this issue, they will make joke on him, and the days were passing on very jovially. With, so to say, Ratnam was an entertainment boy in the company. One day, Suddenly Ratnam went missing. After Ratnam went missing, for about 15 or 20 days, no news about Ratnam was there at all. A set of staff members from Krishna Flour Mill and his father's friends went all the directions in search of Ratnam. They did all kind of search. They made a police complaint. Ratnam was not to be found anywhere. Behind the present Mantri Mall, in those days there was narrow gauge train which was going from Bangalore to Chintamani. There were three set of trains in Bangalore. One was broad gauge, another was meter gauge, another was narrow gauge. This narrow gauge train was laid during British era for the vendors to shift their cattle feed and grown grains, milk, etc. This particular dedicated line was laid in those days, but service was available once or twice a day. After 20 days, on the railway track near his house, a body was found, and all the identifications resembled to Ratnam. Ratnam's parents were called, and the parents identified the body. The pant, shirt, and other marks with which Ratnam was missing was serving some identification for Ratnam, and his parents and sisters and brothers, as well as the relatives and friends in and around, gathered. The police had to make Panchanama documents with identification and confirmation from parents. The body's identification was confirmed by the parents, and a postmortem was done, and the body was handed over in a mingled state to the parents, and all the religious rites relating to the death was conducted, and it was a very sober situation in the house front of Ratnam. And days and months we were discussing about the sudden disappearance of Ratnam. When things were going on, suddenly after 6 months, one day Ratnam appeared in their house. It was astonishing. Nobody knew how it was possible for Ratnam to be identified. Because police have made the document, the body was found, the body was identified by the none other than his parents and his brothers and sisters and relatives and neighbors. But Ratnam has come alive. We do not know. We were children at that time. But ultimately Ratnam had joined some other company and he was working. Long days he lived, and after years of some discreet contact we had with Ratnam, we also lost contact. But after this incident, Ratnam was living is a matter of fact. But the astonishing fact here is where from Ratnam came, who is that person who died for whom the karma was made. It was always bothering me. But in the intervening period, some stocks of maida used to come to the factory where I was working. We used to make every time inquiry. As a result of this, when his father had come to deliver maida to this factory, when Ratnam's father took a bag of maida and went inside to arrange, in the intervening period, these laborers said, "This is Ratnam's father, Ratnam had come. A karma was done, but Ratnam has come, what to tell?" Like this they used to talk. These incidents which happened in my presence, which is even today evergreen in our memory, is something baffled. So many questions were posed to Ratnam. Ratnam was not in a position to answer any of the questions, but the most astonishing part is who is that person who died, and how did, even in police record also, Ratnam got into death case while he is alive. There are so many incidents which baffles us. We will meet and discuss another issue in another video. Till such time, Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.